Welcome to today's comparison showdown, where we put the Superrun under desk treadmill and the Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill head to head. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, we're here to help you decide which treadmill is the perfect match for your indoor running needs. When it comes to price, both the Superrun and Cursor treadmills hit the sweet spot at $299. It's a tie, but remember, the true value is in how often you'll use it versus it becoming just another piece of decor. The Superrun boasts a 2.5 HP motor praised for its quiet operation, making it ideal for those working from home. In contrast, the Cursor features a similarly powered brushless motor, noted for its super quiet operation within the 40 to 65 decibels range, perfect for keeping the peace at home. The Superrun offers simplicity with an LED display and portability highlighted by its ease of storage. On the other hand, the Cursor adds value with real-time heart rate monitoring, a digital LED console with 12 preset programs, and a spacious running area, catering to those seeking more from their treadmill. Warranty and support are crucial, and here the Superrun provides a 1-year warranty with 24/7 online support. The Cursor, however, extends a more generous 5-year frame warranty and boasts a dedicated service team, ensuring peace of mind for a longer period. Reviewers express satisfaction with both treadmills. Superrun users appreciate its quiet operation, sturdy build, and compatibility with fitness apps, despite some noting a belt shifting issue. Cursor users highlight its ease of assembly, compact size, and the convenience it offers for indoor workouts, with some pointing out its suitability for average-sized individuals and its efficient customer service. That wraps up our comparison. Whether you're drawn to the silent operation and simplicity of the Superrun or the feature, rich and well-supported Cursor, both treadmills offer great value. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description for more details. Happy running!